Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yes, one day we have to go back to Zion. Yes, one day we have to tread with the lion. Yes, one day we have to hold His Majesty hands. Look how long we have been waiting for the Black Star Liner to take we. If I'm sleeping, you better wake me. Everyone looking so hasty. Buju and Sizzla say to me, you have to come, brother man, yeah. You have to come, brother man, yeah. Whoa, yeah. Freedom chanting, freedom fighting, freedom walking, freedom talking. You have to come, brother man, yeah. You have to come, brother man, yeah. Oh, what a holy day this must be, to behold His Majesty on the Black Star Line, on the Black Star Line. You have to come, brother man, yeah. 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 Honorable Marcus Garvey said that this day will be 3 in 1 and 1 in 3. Ruler of earth, sky and sea, to behold the power of the Trinity. It's peace and love again and unity. You have to come, brother man, yeah. You have to come, brother man.